You're kidding me. That's a 67 Camaro Z/28. Oh, wow, there it is. This is the real deal. Z/28, no way. This is a legend. These tires are toast, but the bones might still be good. Oh man, the inside is wrecked, but we can bring it back. There it is, proof it's a real Z/28. All right, nut and bolt restoration. Every piece gets labeled. Let's see what's left of the heart of this thing. Front end's coming apart. Every bolt goes in the tray. There it is, first bolt in decades, cracked loose. Hold it steady, this door is heavier than it looks. Seat bolts are seized, but they're coming out one way or another. Ugh, this carpet is basically history. All right, gauge is out next. Label everything, no guessing later. Easy, easy. We're pulling the whole drivetrain in one shot. Front subframe's coming down, watch your fingers. Ugh. Organization is everything. This is how we win. That's it, back to raw metal. No hiding now.
Small parts take forever, but this is how you do it right.
This gunk is decades old, but clean parts make a clean build.
No shortcuts. Every rusty inch gets cut out.
Perfect fit first, then we weld. Gaps have to be dead on. Grind it flat. The goal is a seam you can't even find. Listen to it, the metal tells you when it's straight.
Just a skim coat, thin is the wind. The metal work does the heavy lifting.
Block sanding is where the paint job is won, and it takes forever.
Epoxy primer down. This locks everything in and sets the foundation. That's it, clear coat's on. Look at that shine. Now we rebuild it right, clean, measured, and torque to spec. Crank is in, torque sequence step by step. No guessing.
One piston at a time, smooth and straight. Don't nick the rings.
Valve train's going on, everything lubed, everything aligned. Now that's a motor, ready to bring this Z/28 back to life. Front suspension rebuilt, this is gonna drive better than new. Driveline, exhaust, lines, everything tight, clipped, and routed clean. New carpet, this is where it finally starts feeling like a car again. Tight and straight, one hog ring at a time. Fresh glass, fresh seals. This is what makes it feel brand new. Look at that stance. This is exactly how a Z/28 should sit. Decals on. This is the moment it becomes a Z28 again. It's alive. Welcome back. Z/28. If you want more revivals like this, like,
comment, and subscribe to BTO Garage.